Have you ever recorded a long YouTube video, podcast, webinar, or online meeting and then spent hours turning it into shorts? First, you have to watch the whole video. Then you have to find the best moments. After that, you crop the video into a vertical format, add captions, and edit everything. It takes a lot of time. But what if an AI could do all of this for you in just a few minutes? That's exactly what Vizard AI says it can do. It can turn long videos into short clips, add captions automatically, keep the speaker in the center of the screen, and help you create content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and more. But is it really that good? Can it actually save your time? Is the free version enough? And should you pay for it? In this video, I'm going to test the latest version of Vizard AI and show you everything step by step. We'll upload a video, test all the important features, check the AI clip quality, customize captions, look at the pricing, and finally answer one simple question. Is Vizard AI worth using in 2026? So let's get started. Now we're inside Vizard AI. The first thing I noticed is that the dashboard looks clean and easy to use. There are no confusing menus or complicated tools. Everything is simple, so even if you're using it for the first time, you can understand it quickly. Now let's create our first project. I'll click on Upload Video. You can upload almost any long video like a podcast, webinar, interview, YouTube video, tutorial, or presentation. After uploading, Vizard AI starts working automatically. It watches your video, understands what people are saying, creates captions, and finds the best moments that can become short videos. This is one of the biggest reasons people use Vizard AI. Instead of watching a 1-hour video yourself, the AI does most of the work for you. After a few minutes, your project is ready. Now you can see that Vizard has created several short clips from the original video. This is really helpful because you don't have to search for the best moments yourself. Let's open one of these clips. You can see that the video is already in a vertical format. The AI also keeps the speaker in the center of the screen. If there are two people in the video, it automatically switches between them. This works really well for podcasts and interviews. Now let's look at the captions. The captions are created automatically. In most cases, they are very accurate if your audio is clear. If you find any mistake, don't worry. You can simply click on the text and edit it. It only takes a few seconds. Now let's customize the captions. You can change the font, change the text color, change the background color, increase or decrease the size. You can also choose different caption styles to match your brand. This is useful if you want all your videos to have the same look. Now let's talk about AI speaker tracking. Normally, when you turn a horizontal video into a vertical one, you have to move the crop manually whenever the speaker moves. That takes a lot of time. Vizard AI does this automatically. It follows the speaker and keeps them in the middle of the screen. This feature works really well for talking head videos. Next, let's edit the clip. If you want to remove a part from the beginning or end, you can do that easily. You can also split the clip, change the layout, edit captions, or make other small changes before exporting. The editing tools are simple but enough for most creators. Now let's export the video. Just choose your settings and click export. Within a short time, your video is ready to download. The final video looks clean and the captions are easy to read. After testing Vizard AI, I can say that it saves a lot of editing time. Instead of spending hours creating shorts manually, you can create them much faster with AI. Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes the AI may choose a clip that isn't the best one. You may also need to fix a few caption mistakes, but these are small changes and don't take much time. Now let's talk about the free plan. The free plan is good if you only want to test the platform. You can understand how it works before buying a subscription. But if you're creating content regularly or working with clients, the paid plan gives you more features and higher limits. So who should use Vizard AI? If you're a YouTuber, podcaster, coach, teacher, marketer, or social media manager, this tool can save you a lot of time. Instead of editing every short manually, you can let the AI do most of the work. Now the final question, is Vizard AI worth it? In my opinion, yes. It is one of the easiest AI tools for turning long videos into short videos. It won't replace professional editing software like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, but if your goal is to create shorts quickly, Vizard AI does a great job. If you're interested, I recommend trying the free plan first. If it fits your workflow, you can upgrade later. That's all for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool I should review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.